Do you know you can make fried rice at the comfort of your home? Come with me, let's go to my kitchen and get some fried rice ready. Let's go! And our ingredients for the day goes as follow. We have onions, we have bell pepper, we have some eggs, ground spices, and then we have some carrots. Chopped, of course. This is chicken and sausage already marinated with anything you want. I have some oyster sauce, and then I use a little bit of soy sauce as well. And I have white pepper, black pepper, ground chili pepper, and we have our rice. Please, you can use any rice of your choice. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It will go a long way to helping the channel grow. Here I added salt going with my rice. I stir fried my chicken. I went in with eggs. I added my vegetables. And I finally went with my rice. Added my chicken and sausage, oyster sauce, and a little bit of soy sauce as well. And then you stir, 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 and stir. Our rice is finally ready to be consumed. Here is me enjoying this rice, the best rice you can make. Please don't forget to leave comments and then subscribe and a review as well when you try this at home. See you in the next video.